Easy way to catch a swarm. If you catch it when they're first leaving the hive, the frame, as you can tell, that little vacant spot right there is where I sprayed about a quarter or less of Swarm Commander. As you can see, we're in the middle of the swarm. If you see the queen light on the frame, let me know. About ready to have to set this thing down because this darn thing's getting heavy. For all those that were at the TVBA mentorship meeting yesterday, this is a lot easier than the swarm we got down out of the tree. Darn frame's getting quite heavy. Of course, standing here, and there she is. What she got right there. I'm gonna pause it while I put her in the cage. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how easy that is. No climbing in trees, no shaking of bees. Now all I gotta do is drag this box over here, set it down in it, and watch all the rest of them go in. Take a quick peek on the other side, make sure we don't have more than one. Sometimes virgin swarms will have more than one queen. Don't see another one. Sad thing is, I added a box to that 2 days ago, and she was walking around on the frame like she owned the joint. Now we get to do a post swarm inspection today, which I don't have time to do, but I'm gonna have to do now to make sure they have another virgin in there. Guys, the easy way to catch a swarm. If you like the videos, hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to, share the videos. This might be an easy way to teach some new beekeepers how the easy way to catch a swarm is. As long as you've got some drone comb, not drone, but drawn comb. Bottle of Swarm Commander. I don't know if lemongrass oil would work. I don't use the stuff because I've never had any luck. And I've been swarm trapping for years. Did an experiment, 2 traps about 20 or 30 yards apart, same field, same side. Swarm Commander in one, lemongrass oil in the other. Did it in 7 different locations. Only had one swarm move to the lemongrass oil, and that was because the Swarm Commander box was already full. You guys have a great day. I just started having fun. Just a little add-on bonus. There's another virgin that was in the hive that swarmed, and there's still 4 viable queen cells. So I'm starting my 2-frame or 2-sided 3-frame medium mating nuke. I'm gonna give the virgin that's in the cage you just saw to this side. This side has 2 queen cells in it. Have a good one.